I will talk about how can you enable auto-relate on your Lim app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on wallet. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on auto reload here, you click on. So then it's going to enable with you here auto relate on your Lim app. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign on your Lim app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.